The screen fades in from black. A heartbeat thump echoes. Then, boom, a drone shot swoops over a vast mountain range bathed in golden sunrise. Title slams in, Best of April, Adventure Montage. Fast cuts. A GoPro mounted on a biker's helmet captures a dusty road trail, rocks flying. Cue music, electronic beat with orchestral undertones. A girl leaps off a cliff into a blue river in slow-mo, the splash captured frame by frame. Another cut to a rooftop dance jam at sunset, friends laughing. One guy almost falls off the ledge but recovers with a dance move. The camera spins. POV of a skateboard zooming through a tight alleyway. Flashback to April 2nd, a group hike in the rain. Muddy, chaotic, hilarious. GoPro captures close-ups of soaked shoes, wild laughter, a slip that turns into a group pile-up. Smash cut. April 5th, a nighttime food run. Streetlights, scooters weaving through traffic, food stall close-ups, steam rising from momos and kebabs. One guy tries a chili challenge. Instant regret. Dramatic slow-mo zoom as he gasps for air. Next sequence, April 8th, paragliding footage. The wind howls, camera pans over valleys, then tight close-up of someone screaming joyfully midair. April 10th, a failed campfire attempt. Cue time-lapse of people trying 5 different lighters and 2 YouTube tutorials. The fire finally starts, everyone cheers. Cut to April 12th, rooftop yoga at dawn. Smooth drone circles, capturing silhouettes against the orange sky. A phone drops mid-session. Everyone freezes. Laughs. Transition to April 14th, a street dance-off. B-boys, Desi freestyle, and someone in a Spider-Man costume. Crowd cheers. April 17th, GoPro on a dog's harness, his epic day at the beach. Running in waves, stealing someone's sandwich, shaking water all over the camera lens. Slow-mo sand spray, wide grins. April 18th, urban